In this video, I'll show you how to sync and find contacts on LinkedIn. If you want to grow your network faster, LinkedIn has a contact sync feature that can import contacts from your mobile device and use them to suggest people you may know. LinkedIn says this feature helps build your network by uploading your address book contacts, and you may then see those people as suggestions in the My Network page. LinkedIn also notes that this feature is being rolled out gradually, so some users may not see it yet. To get started on mobile, open the LinkedIn app and tap the My Network icon. Then tap Import Contacts. If LinkedIn asks for permission, tap Continue and allow contact access on your device. LinkedIn says you may be able to choose between allowing full access to upload all contacts or selecting specific contacts manually. If you previously denied access, the app may guide you to your phone's settings so you can enable contact access there. Once your contacts are imported, LinkedIn can use that information to show suggested connections. That means when you go back to the My Network area, you may start seeing people from your address book who are already on LinkedIn. LinkedIn explains that importing contacts is designed to help you find people you already know and make connection suggestions more relevant. If you want to find contacts and connections you already have on LinkedIn, there are a couple of ways to do that. On desktop, click My Network, then click See All under your connections. From there, you can browse your connections list or use the search box to find someone by name. LinkedIn also says you can go to Manage Synced and Imported Contacts to review contacts from the synced or imported lists. On mobile, LinkedIn says you can view a connection's contact details by opening that person's profile and scrolling to the contact section. On desktop, if someone is already your connection, you can open their profile and click See Contact Info in the introduction section. Keep in mind that what you can actually see depends on what that member has chosen to share with their connections. It is also useful to know the difference between a contact and a connection. LinkedIn says a contact can be someone you've messaged or invited, and contacts can also come from synced sources. A connection is specifically a first-degree LinkedIn connection. So after syncing your contacts, not everyone in that list will automatically become a LinkedIn connection until a connection request is accepted. If you ever want to stop syncing or remove imported contacts, LinkedIn lets you do that too. On desktop, go to Settings and Privacy, then under Syncing Options, open Sync Contacts and choose Remove All next to Contacts. On mobile, go to Settings, then Account Preferences, then Sync Contacts and tap Remove All. LinkedIn says the contacts are deleted immediately, although updates to suggestions can take up to 72 hours. So the simple process is this. Import contacts from the My Network section, let LinkedIn suggest people you may know, search your connections list when needed, and review or remove synced contacts later from your settings if you want more control. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.